Salted pork trotters, also known as thịt chan gio lon muai in Vietnamese cuisine, is a delicious and savory dish that combines the rich flavors of pork with the distinctive taste of salt. This dish is a favorite in many households and is often enjoyed as a special treat on various occasions. Ingredients: 1 or more fresh pork trotters, depending on your serving size, sea salt, edible salt, approximately 2–3% of the weight of the meat. Optional seasonings: black pepper, dry spices such as garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, fresh herbs such as mint leaves, green onions, garlic, green chili peppers, and soybean sauce for added color and flavor. Instructions: clean the pork trotters. Begin by thoroughly washing the pork trotters under cold running water to remove any dirt or small debris. Then, rinse them and allow them to drain. Salt the meat. In a large bowl, dissolve the sea salt in water to create a salty brine. Place the pork trotters in a pot or container large enough to hold them without overlapping. Pour the brine over the trotters, ensuring they are completely submerged. Seal the container tightly and allow the meat to soak in the brine for a designated period, typically several days to a week. This process not only flavors the meat with salt, but also helps preserve it. Season to taste. After the soaking period, you can optionally season the trotters with black pepper, dry spices, and fresh herbs according to your preference. You can also add soybean sauce for additional flavor and color. Cook the dish. There are various ways to prepare salted pork trotters, such as braising, boiling, or grilling. Choose your preferred cooking method and follow the specific recipe to complete the dish. Serve. Once cooked, the salted pork trotters are ready to be enjoyed. They can be served hot or cold, sliced or whole, and are often accompanied by dipping sauces, pickled vegetables, or rice. Salted pork trotters offer a unique combination of salty, savory, and aromatic flavors, making them a delightful addition to any meal. Whether served as a main dish, appetizer, or side dish, this traditional Vietnamese dish is sure to tantalize your taste buds with its deliciousness.
You whisper, good morning, so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there. You whisper, good morning, so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there. You whisper, good morning, so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there. You whisper good morning so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby.